today we'll see a command called as socat. So this is nothing but a multi-purpose relay socket. So this is a command line utility. You can use this to establish a bidirectional byte stream and transfer data between them. So we can use this along with NC. NC is nothing but a netcat utility which is used to send or receive any TCP, UDP or Unix sockets. So now we'll try to use these two utilities and create a chat. For that, in one of the terminal, try to open NC with any port number. So for example, here I am creating this port number and this NCL means it is listening in this port number. So now in one more window, you can give netstat and grep for 1234. So here you can see it is a TCP listening socket. So now open one more window and you can use socat. So this is the command. What this command does is socat, it accepts input from stdin and from the TCP port localhost 1234. So now this will be connected with this first terminal window with the NC. So we can confirm that using netstat. You can see 1234 is NC and the other port is 51220. This is socat. So now these two are connected and they have established a TCP connection, if you see. So since we have established a TCP connection, we should be able to do a chat message between those two. So now from here I am typing message from socat. So this should be received in NC. See, it is got your reply from NC. So here you see got the reply. So this is how you can communicate. So whatever. So when you want to use chat as a relay, we can use NC. I am giving a different port number. So now NC listens in 4567. Now grep for 4567. You will see that it is listening in NC. In another window, open socat and give this command. What this does is, in previous command in socat, the second argument was std, but now we have replaced with listen with 1456. So if you see, this is 456 but 1456. In another port you are listening and you are going to give it to 4567. So now if you see, this will be listening in 4567. We will see that 4567. So you have two listening, one is in NC listening port, another is socat listening port. In the third terminal, open a window, open a client, so that it communicates with the first one. It is stdio and 1456. So this one. Now if you see, two TCPs will be established. With 1457, 1456 one TCP is created and 14567 also one more TCP is created. So this is with socat, this is socat and NC. So now we will see, when you are typing, the center node should relay the message and it should not receive it. We will see it. I am message from NC. So this will be received by the third socket. If you see here, here it didn't receive, it is received here. Got reply from socat stdio. You can see here. So if you give any message here, it does not go anywhere, but only between these two we can send. Like this you can keep adding. So this is a three-way handshake using a socat. It's very useful utility. In next video we can see how to use socat with HTTP etc. Thank you.